How to stop syncing your profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can stop syncing your profile picture from Instagram over to Facebook. So firstly, open up Instagram, and then after that click on your profile picture, then click on the top right, then click on settings. After that, just simply click on account, and then after that click on sharing to other apps, and over here from the top click on Facebook, and then that is going to take you over to your Facebook account. Now from over here, look for Accounts Center. So if Account Center is not over here, simply come back and click on Account Center, and then after that simply click on Profiles and click on Facebook, and after that simply click on your profile name, and after that just make sure that your sync profile info is turned off. If it is turned on, well then you guys are going to be able to basically sync everything including your profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. But if this is turned off, then nothing is going to be synced and your profile pictures are going to be separate. So guys, that is how you guys can basically stop syncing your profile picture from Instagram over to Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.